Hello dear vegans! The month of love is approaching and the best gift you can give to your loved one is a delicious dessert full of love. That's why we tried to make it easy for you to choose a dessert for your love in the month of love. This dessert is very easy to prepare, so watch the video and if you like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first thing we need for this wonderful dessert is 320 grams of flour, then we will add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and mix a little with a spoon. We will also add 5 grams of vanilla sugar, which will give the dessert a wonderful and specific taste. Then we continue to add 80 grams of cocoa. To add 210 grams of sugar. We also add a little salt, about 2 grams, 100 milliliters maple syrup, 110 milliliters, sunflower oil, 160 milliliters, coconut milk. And now begins my most interesting part of preparing the recipe. And that is the mixing of the ingredients. Mix well until all the ingredients are combined. Mixing all the ingredients, take 190 grams of hazelnuts, crush them in NutriBullet, and then add them with the other ingredients. Mix them with a spoon to combine, and later add 360 grams of cherries. Also, mix the cherries to combine with the other ingredients, and when they are mixed it is time to make the preparation to bake the cake. everything is ready, it is time to bake. Bake for 30 minutes at a temperature of 200 degrees. Now it's time to serve. You can choose your own idea of how to serve this cake. No matter how you serve it, it does not matter. It's important because the cake is first class and we are sure that you will make a sweet smile to your love if you prepare this recipe for Valentine's Day. If you liked the video, click like and subscribe to our channel to support us to continue publishing food recipes.